Hey, what is going on, guys? Sean here, living the corporate pilot life. I am in Salt Lake City, I guess just north of Salt Lake City, Utah right now. Airlined in here yesterday, going to do a little flying here over the weekend. But in the meantime, I get to hang out and enjoy the afternoon. I'm on Antelope Island right now. I've never been here before. I used to come out here to Salt Lake City quite often, but we always ended up in Park City, which is just east of Salt Lake. So I've never been really in this vicinity. So we decided to go check it out, and my little brother actually made the recommendation to check out this place called Antelope Island. It's actually a big island on Salt Lake, Great Salt Lake, whatever it's called. So it's got these huge mountains. Check this out. The sun's kind of in a bad spot right now, but look at this stuff behind me. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we're just driving around a little bit, looking at the sights. We've already seen some pretty large herds of buffalo. And as we were driving along the road, we saw a coyote run right across the road in front of us. Had to smash on the brakes, did not hit this poor guy. Ran across the road, so of course we jumped out and I grabbed a couple pictures of it. Beautiful animal. He just, hanging out, looking for some food, I guess. So he scurried on his little way. But now we're just gonna drive around a little bit and enjoy the sights. So yeah, come along with us, have a look, and see what you guys think. So we're going to make our way back off of Antelope Island here. We got this land bridge connecting it to the mainland over here in that direction. But you can tell there's not been water here in this vicinity for a little while. There's a little bit behind us, but it's pretty dry over here on this side, on the north side of the land bridge. It's very, very dry. But what a very unexpected and pleasant surprise. We found this little spot. Something I wasn't planning on doing this week, but shout out to my brother for telling us to go check it out. It was definitely worth the ride over here. It's only like 30-minute drive from our hotel, and something very cool to see. So if you're ever in Salt Lake City and needed something to do for a day, I highly recommend it. Go check out the animals. All right, guys, so it is a late night departure out of Utah. We're getting out of here. It is just after 10 o'clock right now, p.m. We're going all the way across the country over to San Juan, Puerto Rico, so it's going to be a long night flight. We get in somewhere around 7 p.m. tonight, and we're getting fuel out here a few minutes ago, and the line guy over here, he's sitting behind me. This is Zach. Say hi, Zach.
What's up?
He recognized me. He follows the channel as well, so I told him I'd put him on YouTube and let him say hi to you guys. But anyway, it is a night flight, like I said, so we're not going to get much video tonight. It's just going to be too dark to see anything, but it should be sunrise by the time I get to Puerto Rico, so maybe if it works out, I can get the camera set up over in Puerto Rico. Either way, I will see you guys when we get over there. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye, Zach.
Coolest pipe to come through Og.
guys, so in case anybody was wondering, this is what I look like after doing a red eye, being up all day yesterday and then flying all night. Red eyes are tough. Don't let anybody tell you different. They definitely hurt. About the 3 o'clock hours when it really hits me that this is dragging out. So anyway, it's about 9:30 local time here in San Juan right now. Beautiful flight over here. We had a great flight, beautiful sunrise, a little bit of weather we had to move around, and nice landing in here. I haven't flown the G4 in a little while, so I was happy to remember what I was doing, and then I feel like I greased the landing coming in here, so that was always good. I'm sorry I didn't get some cockpit video for you guys. There was just not enough bandwidth to get it done for you, so I just had to stick with the one camera out the front. So hopefully you guys like the scenes coming in here, and yeah, so anyway, I'll get some more on the next one. I should be flying the G4 a little bit here, more coming up. Meantime, I'm heading over to Southwest to jump on an airline, and I am going home. So anyway, hopefully you guys like it. Subscribe if you're new. Leave me some comments. Let me know what you think, and see you on the next one. Keep living the corporate pilot life.